In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your SumUp account. To get started, open the SumUp app on your phone. Once the app launches, sign in using your account credentials. Make sure you're logging into the correct account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one profile. Since closing an account is a permanent action, it's a good idea to double check that you're in the right place before continuing. After you're signed in, go to your profile area. You can usually do this by tapping your profile icon or your account name inside the app. From there, look for Settings or Account Settings. This is where SumUp typically places account management options, including the tools related to profile and account access. Inside the settings menu, look for an option labeled Close My Profile or Close Account. The wording may vary slightly depending on your app version or device, but it should be something along those lines. When you find it, tap that option to begin the account closure process. Take a moment to read everything on the screen carefully so you understand what will happen after the account is closed. Next, follow the instructions shown in the app. SumUp may ask you to confirm that you want to permanently close the account. In some cases, you might also be asked to complete a verification step. This is normal and helps confirm that the request is really coming from the account owner. Just continue through the prompts until the closure request has been submitted. If you can't find the option to close your profile inside the app, don't worry. In that case, the next step is to contact SumUp support directly. Let them know that you want to close your account and ask them to process the request for you. They may ask you to verify your identity by providing the email address connected to the account and other account details. This is simply part of the verification process, so be sure to provide accurate information. Once your request has been submitted, all that's left to do is wait for confirmation from SumUp. They should notify you once the account has officially been closed. After the closure is complete, you will no longer be able to use SumUp payment services with that account, so keep that in mind before finishing the process. And that's it. That's how to delete your SumUp account quickly and correctly.